Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today in this video I am going to explain that how to increase RAM on your PC and your laptop, and how you can expand your RAM for the better performance by increasing the virtual memory on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. So at first you have to click on your Windows menu icon or search box and type here about, and from the suggestion you have to click on about your PC. Now here in the about section you can see the installed RAM. So on my end it's 16 gigabyte, and I am going to increase the RAM 32 gigabyte or 64 gigabyte. If you have 4 GB RAM, then you also increase it 8 GB, 16 GB or 32 GB. So what you will have to do, on the bottom side you will find an option advanced system setting. You just need to click on it. Then you will be getting another box of system properties. Now here the under performance you have to click on settings. Then from the top menu option you have to click on advanced, and here you will find the option virtual memory. And it says a pegging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows use. If it's the ROP, so that means that there is some kind of a space from the hard drive that can be used as a RAM to get the better performance. Now here do you get an option of sense. You have to click on sense. You will be getting such kind of box here. Now here it will be set to automatically manage pegging file size. You have to unlock this option and then select the option of custom size. Then you will be getting two boxes here of internal size and the maximum size. Now this is the most important part, where you have to enter the right value in the internal side and the maximum size. So I have make a note here that we can make it earlier to understand. Now here it says internal size RAM into 1.5 and maximum size RAM into 3.0. So it means you have to convert your RAM into MB, and then you have to multiply by 1.5 for internal size and multiply by 3 for the maximum size. So let's if you are using 4 gigabyte of RAM, so I will convert 4 into 1024, so that we can the value in MB, then we will multiply by 1.5. so let me quick open a calculator. So we have the calculator here. Now I will multiply 4 into 1024. So 1024 is the value that come in the MB for 1 gigabyte. So now we get a 4096, and then we will multiply by 1.5 for the internal size. So multiply 1.5, and this is the value that I get 6144. Now the maximum size, what we will have to do, I have to multiply 4 into 1024 again to get the value in MB. Then I need to multiply by 3 for the maximum size. So it will be 12 to 88. But in my case it is 16 gigabyte. Now I will multiply 16 into 1024. So it's 16354 is the value that comes in MB for 1 gigabyte. So now we get 4096, and then we will multiply by 1.5 for the internal size. So multiplying 1.5, and this is the value that I get 24576. So in the internal size I will type here 24576. Now the maximum size, what we will have to do, I have to multiply 16 into 1024 again to get the value in MB. then I need to multiply by 3 for the maximum size. So it will be 49152. So I just copy and paste it. So this is the chart that you can take a screenshot as well, and once you are done, you have to click on set, then you have to click on OK. Now you need to close this box, and then you will have to restart your PC. After that you will find that your RAM has been increased, and even the performance will be boosted. So that's all guys for today, and I am pretty sure that this virtual RAM will be surely improving the performance. And if you have the issue like memory using and even the performance issue, that will be also surely fixed. So if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe. For any type of question, let me know in the comment section. I will reply you. Till then, take care. Bye.